अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, अॼु मां ऐं मुंहिंजा टई ॿार असां गॾिजी हिकु मॉल में वञी रहिया आहियूं ऐं अॼु ही स्पेशल ॾींहुं आहे ऐं मुंहिंजा ॿार चाहिनि था त असां अमेरिकन ॻाइणी टेलर स्विफ्ट जे हवाले सां हिते हिकु शॉप आहे जिते उन जे नाले सां कुझु शयूं विकामजनि थियूं ऐं ही सभु उन जा फैन्स आहिनि ऐं चाहिनि था त असां उन शॉप ते हलूं। सो तव्हां ॾिसो त गुलूकार हुजनि या आर्टिस्ट हुजनि उहे केॾा न अवाम में मक़बूल हूंदा आहिनि। सो हाणे उते वञूं था ॾिसूं था ऐं उहा सॼी जर्नी तव्हां सां शेयर कयूं था।
Hi, today we're going to Kingsway Mall and we're gonna have some fun there. We're gonna eat and look at some shops and go to places and and we're just gonna have some fun. And we're also gonna get some Taylor Swift merch there and it's gonna be really fun and I'm really excited. So we brought our own money to like spend and I bought like $30. I don't know how much she bought, but we're gonna use our own money to buy it and it's like 10:30 almost and the mall opens at 10 o'clock, so like we're coming early today to a mall. Really excited. And I brought $25 and there's gonna be stuff like stickers, shirts, cupcakes, bags, like just like Taylor Swift themed items. And so bye. See you at Kingsway Mall.
I'm going too.
Yeah, so it's just me and my sister and my brother and my mom. Today we're going
to
Kingsway Mall.
It's our first time coming to Kingsway Mall, so we're just trying to find the second floor because that's where Mall Market is. She has the Tortured Poets department, so I just consider the white background TTP. This is a haul from the Taylor Swift store that we got. There was a lot of Taylor Swift things there, but we just bought 2 things each. So here's what we bought. Do you want to start or should I? So I bought this tote bag. It says the Tortured Poets Department, her new album. And we got it 50% off. It's supposed to be 20, but we got it for 10. And then I got this medium-sized shirt. It was like the only one, and I really liked it. And I think I could survive with a bigger shirt, a bigger size. And so that's what I got, and now she'll show what she got. So I also got a tote bag. It says all's fair in love and poetry. Sincerely, Chairman of the Tortured Poets Department, and it has a little typewriter on it. And I love this one. And also I got this Taylor Swift poster. It was really cheap for $5. And I love it. It's really pretty. It's like her. And since we bought these things, we also got these mini tickets for like a raffle to win Taylor Swift themed things in a big bag, and there were like a lot of things in it, like from all shops in the market. So yeah, we have 2 chances to win it.
Sunrise record.
So we're just waiting for our order. That will take like 5 more minutes. So we bought the drink so far. Our order is gonna take 5 minutes, so we're just gonna wait for 3 minutes and then come back and then get our order.
दोस्तों मेले जी मोट थी आहे अॼु ॿारनि ॾाढो इंजॉय कयो ख़ुशि थिया ऐं मूंखे उमेद आहे त तव्हांखे वीडियो पसंदि आई हूंदी शाइरीअ सां गॾोगॾु ज़िंदगी जे नंढे नंढियुनि ख़ुशियुनि जूं वीडियोज़ तव्हां सां शेयर कंदी रहंदसि मूंखे पक आहे ईअं ई तव्हां ॾिसंदा रहंदव ऐं मुंहिंजे YouTube चैनल खे सब्सक्राइब कंदा रहंदव महिरबानी